Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. Today I have the Sony HT-AX7 speaker, which is a feeder portable speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable the sound field option in your speaker. So, here we do have the sound field button, as you can see. You can at first enable and disable this option in the speaker itself. But if you don't want to go to the speaker to manage the speaker itself, you can manage the speaker for the application, which is called the Sony Bravia Connect. Here in this application we have the sound field option, and we can do the same and using just the button here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.